jump and shout Yahoo! 2 times 2 is 4. Tigers roar and want some more. 2 times 3 is 6. Monkeys play their cheeky tricks. 2 times 4 is 8. Ducks go swimming, oh how great. 2 times 5 is 10. Lions roar again and again. 2 times 6 is 12. Owls on branches softly delve. 2 times 7 is 14. Frogs leap high so bright and green. 2 times 8 is 16. Fish are splashing, quick and keen. Across the green. 2 times 10 is 20. Clap your hands, you've learned plenty.